Hello and welcome to the daily number workout for fourth grade. Today we're on the number 38. So let's start off with our word form. THIRTY, 30, EIGHT, 38. And because there's an 8 in the ones place value, this is an even number. And let's go for our factors. So our factors would of course be 1 and 38. 1 times 38 is 38. Because it's even, 2 goes in, and that would be 19 times. 3 does not go in because 3 goes into 33, 36, 39. 4 doesn't go in because it would be 32, 36, 40. 5 doesn't go in because it doesn't end with a 0 or a 5. 6 doesn't go in evenly because it would be 30, 36, 42. 7 doesn't go in because 8 doesn't go in. 9 doesn't go in. 10, 11, 12, and so on. So we are done. We'll just stop it right there. Let's go for multiples. Good old multiples. Multiples have to do with multiplying, of course. And so when we count by 38s, we of course start off with 138, which is 38. So let's go on to the next, which is 38 times 2. So this is where we get our multiplication practice, which is awesome. 2 times 8 is 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 2 38s is 76. Let's do 38 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. We drop the 4 and carry the 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have 114. 38 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Drop the 2, carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 152. 38 times 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Drop the 0, carry the 4. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 is 19, so 190. 38 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Drop the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 4 is 22. 228. 38 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Drop the 6, carry the 5. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 5 is 26. 266. 38 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Drop the 4, carry the 6. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 6 is 30. 304. Let's do 38 times 9. 9 times 8 is 72. Drop the 2, carry the 7. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 7 is 34. So 342. And then any number times 10. Let's write it out anyway. 0, we drop it down. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. So it would be 380. Oops, 380. All right, there's our multiples. That's counting by 38. And we multiplied. We did a great job. Hopefully you checked your work. Follow along with me, check your work. All right, so here we go. Let's move on to addition. So I'm going to take this off the board so I can move my paper up. And we're going to do addition. So 38 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus nothing is 3. 38 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. Drop the 0, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 38 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. Drop the 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 38 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 38 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. Drop the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 43. 38 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Drop the 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 38 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 38 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Drop the 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 38 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Drop the 7, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 47. 38 plus 10. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 38 plus 10 is 48. So there we have our addition. Let's move on to subtraction. So we're going to start off with the 48 here. 48 minus 38 equals 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 10 or 1. All right, 47 minus 38. So here's where it gets tricky. I'm going to move that up so we can see better. So we can't take 8 from 7. So we're going to borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 3 is nothing. All right, now we got 46 minus 38. 8 from 6 can't do. Borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 3, nothing. All right, let's go on to 45 minus 38. 8 from 5, can't subtract that. So we borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 3, nothing. So 45 minus 38 is 7. Let's do 44 minus 38. We can't take 8 from 4, so we borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 3, nothing. 43 minus 38. 8 from 3 can't do. Borrow from the 4, leaving 3, making that 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 3 is nothing. Here we go. 42 minus 38. 8 from 2, can't do. Borrow from the 4, making it 3, and changing that to 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 3, nothing. 41 minus 38. 8 from 1, can't do. Borrow from the 4, making it 3, and changing that to 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 3, nothing. 40 minus 38. 8 from 0, can't do. Borrow from the 4, making it 3, making that 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 3, nothing. 39 minus 38. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. And we're done. Nice job. Lots of good math going on there. It's important that we practice these facts. All right, we're moving on to our linear measurement. Inches, feet, and yards. Move my paper up. So today our number is 38. So we have 38 inches. I'm going to move this all the way up so we save some paper here. 38 inches. And it takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to change this into an improper fraction. And we're going to break it apart so we can see how many feet we have. So we've got 12 twelfths plus 12 twelfths plus 12 twelfths. And that's 3 twelves is 36. And that means we have 2 more left. So 1, 2, 3 whole feet and 2/12. So 38 inches is the same as 3 2/12 foot. Now we've got 38 over 36. It takes 36 inches to make a yard. And we know we've got 36 over 36 plus 2 over 36. So that means we have 1 2 36 yards. So all these are equal to each other. Let's go for our metric form. So I'm going to start way over here, 38 centimeters. And we know it takes 10. So we're going to put that 38 over 10, making it an improper fraction that we're going to break apart. So we're going to say 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10. That's 30, 10, 20, 30. And we got, oops, plus 8. I'm always doing that. All right, plus 8. So we have 1, 2, 3 decimeters and 8/10. Boom. All right. And then we have 38 out of, it takes 100 centimeters to make a meter. So we have 38 hundredths of a meter. So this equals this, which equals this. Nice job. This is just our work to figure it out. All right, that's our linear measurement. Let's go on to our liquid measurement. Hopefully you're just whipping this out on your own. You've got the task down to a science and you're just going with it. So here we go. We're going to try this out with ounces. If we have 38 ounces, we know it takes 8 ounces to make a cup. So we're going to convert this into an improper fraction of 38 over 8. And then we're going to break that apart. Make sure I got my paper where you can see it. So we're going to have 8. So 1/8, 2/8 is 16. 3/8 is 24. 4/8 is 32. And then we have 6 left. So 8, 16, 24, 32 plus 6 is 38. So that's all of them. We know we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cups, 4 whole cups, and 6/8. 4 6/8 cups. That is our mixed number from our improper fraction. So we know 38 ounces equal 4 6/8 cups, which equal, and it takes 16 ounces to make a pint. So we're going to put that over that, 38 over 16. And now we're going to create this addition problem, which is 16 over 16 plus 16 over 16. That would be 32 plus 6 over 16. And we'll drop down here and we have 1, 2, and 6/16 pint. Now there's much more we can do with these different fractions and mixed numbers, but we're just going to go to this point. Try not to complicate it too much. All right, so we have quarts. So if we have 38, it takes 32 to make a quart. So we're going to break this into 32. So 32 over 32 plus 6 over 32, which equals, and so that's 1 whole quart. So 1 whole and 6/32 quart. And then gallons, we know it's 38 out of 128. So 38 128ths of a gallon. So those are all equal to each other. Boom. And then last but not least, milliliters, our metric form of liquid measurement. So we have 38, I'm going to move this up, 38 milliliters, which equals 38 thousandths of a liter. And here we are done. Good job. Lots of good work there. Have a great day.